Hi, let's join us to know about the Poka Yoke. So what is a Poka Yoke? Poka Yoke is a Japanese term that means a mistake proofing. It's a lean tool that originates from the Toyota production system. Implementing a Poka Yoke involves a design process in such a way that the mistakes are avoided entirely or made visible for the quick correction. So as example, we can see here is a handrail. This handrail is used for the drill operation, but there's many Poka Yoke at here. So let's know more about the handrail Poka Yoke.
There are a lot of Poka Yoke systems that are being applied in handrails. First is speed control trigger. The speed control trigger is used to control the speed of the rotation drill bit. The user only can press the trigger to control the speed. Second, rotation button. Rotation button is to control the rotation of the drill bit, either counterclockwise or clockwise. Third, battery level indicator. Battery level indicator is used to show the battery level of handrail. It alerts the user before the battery finish while they are using it. Fourth, tool storage and organization. For today, we will focus on control speed trigger because it is a significant Poka Yoke system in a handrail.
Let me explain to you about the problem statement. The first problem statement that we want to highlight is a safety concern. The safety concern is very necessary in controlling the drill. The drill will be operated by rotating itself when we plug into the power source. So to avoid it from continue operating, we need to put speed control trigger. The speed control trigger will help the user to control the speed and also to avoid the injury to the user. Next, our second problem statement is precision and control. The speed control trigger will help the user to handle and control the drill more gently and progressively. Without it, it will cause the workpiece become imprecise and also it will damage the workpiece. Next, our third point and last point is enhance efficiency. By using speed control trigger, it will increase the productivity, save time and also save our budget for buying another product. Without it, we will need to produce more machine to operate the drilling process and also it will increase our labor cost. That's all.
How effective when we add control speed trigger in the handrail? So first, when so the drill only can be rotating when we push the trigger button like this. So although the power source is already plugged in, so it will not move until we trigger the push button. So how about when we have an emergency situation? So when you is drill the steel and something emergency is happen, so you just need to release your finger and it will stop immediately. So it's safe and easy to handle. So because of that, we can reduce any injuries or any accident happens. Okay, so for second point, we can avoid damaged material or damaged workpiece that caused by improper speed by drill operation like this. So because of that, we can minimize the need of rework and the waste of material. And because of that, it lead to reduce or saving costs by not have additional expenses for replace workpiece or replace drill bit tool. So for the point, the speed can be easily adjusted, so we doesn't need any tool to adjust the speed. For example, if you want the drill bit rotating slowly, just put a little force in your finger and push the trigger, so it will rotating slowly. If you want rotating a little faster, just put a little bit more force in your finger and so it will become more faster. So now, I will talk about improvement that we will add to the hand drill. First is design, second is safety, advanced feature. So for the design, we will add rotating control speed in the trigger button, at the trigger button, so it will easier to the user for adjust the speed limit. Okay, so for advanced safety features, we will implementing sensors that can detect pressure or grip, so that it can ensure that the drill will operate when it grip with securely.
For the summary, Poka Yoke system is a very important system for an operation or machine. It provides many benefits in terms of safety, efficiency, and cost savings. The improvement made will also have a positive impact on the operation and prevent mistakes from happening.